What's up, guys? Back again with another video. This video is gonna be quick as hell too, just like the one I'm uploading right now as we speak on the radio with the Jaguar. But man, what we're doing today on this video is changing out that cold air intake that I got on the truck. I went ahead and got a regular one, regular circular filter. To be honest, I'm not even sure if it'll fit on my truck because this 4 carburetors, but I got a fuel injection system, and we're gonna see. Let's get back here and open it up, baby. Look at that. What? If I can, I'm gonna paint the outer bar the same color blue as the truck. Let's get some light in here real quick. And I haven't even opened this up myself. I bought it and I let it sit. But here's the part number. 1223. That look nice. Oh, shit, somebody opened it. I guess they returned it. So there's all the papers and stuff. Yeah. So let's get out here and pull the old one out. I don't even think I have to do any cuts in this video because, you know, it's just putting on an air cleaner. Pop that bad boy. And here's that air cleaner. So if anybody wants this, man, just hit my inbox on Instagram, drop a comment, and I'll send it to you. All you do is pay shipping. Alright. Let's see right there. It came with a wing nut, but did it come with a stud to help it out with or something? No? Figured they got one somewhere. So let's see if this actually fits on top of the TBI. It does in a way. Let's just say it fits, but I have to knock some of this out the way. There it is. So let's get the cleaner. Filter, I mean, shit, I said the cleaner. The whole thing is the cleaner. What kind of filter this is. Look better already. Let me get this adjusted real quick and I'll bring you guys right back.
What's up, guys? I don't know if you can hear me through the mic or not, but I just got done editing this video, which I didn't have to edit much of it, but I was going to it and I seen a few of the files was corrupt. I didn't get a chance to show you guys the picture of how I look on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera outside and get a picture of that and put it in at the end, and it'll also be the thumbnail. But I want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm gonna finish laying down here and get this video to you guys before I go to work today. But I do want to thank you guys for watching. New subscribers, hey, how y'all doing? Yeah, hopefully the next video, I'm not sure what it's gonna be, either the truck or you'll find out next video.